Hello everyone, my name is Nick and today we will talk about how to download and play Hunting Corps on your PC or laptop. So I have a way how you can easily do it. And first of all, to play this game on your PC you need to install an Android emulator. And of course I will show you how to do it. All you need to do is just open up a browser and type here the name of the necessary Android emulator. I advise you to download LD Player because I use it, but if you want you can download another one. Just go to their official website and now you can easily download it just by clicking on the download button right here. Run the installer to download it on your computer. So after that, you can easily run it just by clicking on the LD Player 9 icon. And here is what you'll see. And now we need to install a game on this Android emulator. You can easily do it in Play Store. Just click on the System Apps folder and go to Play Store. And now type in the search box the name of the game. So in our case, Hunting Corps. Now select the game and click on the install button to download it. And now we need to install 1 GB and after that we'll be able to play this game on our PC. And now the app is installed on my Android emulator and we can easily open it up just by clicking on the play button on this page, or go to the home page and here you'll find the game's icon. So just run it. Okay, now we need to log in. Let's click on the guest login, select the necessary server and just click on the enter game. And that's all. The game works correctly on my PC. So as you can see, now I use my computer, but I can easily play this game. So it's very cool that by using this way we can easily play this game on PC, and I hope it was really helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.